Hello everyone. In last class, I already explained you that what is a MKR rule and what is the means of a MKR rule. Now, once again, the chemical reaction or preparation method of alcohol, hydration of alkene or addition of H2O or hydrogen. IUPAC name of H2O is dihydrogen oxide. So, addition of water on alkene molecule. But according to MKR rule, we know that according to MKR rule, Markovnikov rule, according to MKR rule, always a more stable carbocation will form. I already explained you what is the means of carbocation and which carbocation is more stable. Then answer is 3 degree or tertiary carbocation is a more stable or a super 1 degree or 0 degree is least stable. Now some example of hydration of water on alkene molecule. CH3CH double bond CH2 propene molecule. Another is but2ene molecule and another is alkene molecule. Reaction with water H2O plus H2O. I already explained you, if in a compound pi bond is present and one pi bond break down, then two sigma bond will form. But it's so simple. This pi bond, it's sigma or it's pi. If this pi bond will break down from here, then a two sigma bond will form. Both sigma bond are complete with the H2O molecule. H2O molecule break down in H plus and OH minus, proton ion and hydroxide ion. But now we have already which rule? Markovnikov rule. It's a asymmetric alkene. Asymmetric alkene. This is sigma bond and it's a pi bond. On propene molecule, asymmetric alkene, follow the MKR rule. If this pi bond break down from here, then two sigma bond will form. We already know that. But before the MKR rule, a simple definition of a electromeric effect. Already studied in 11th class. What is the electromeric effect? What is the electromeric effect? Then transfer of a pi bond electron. Transfer of pi bond electron always from Lasian element to Morian element is called electromeric effect. Before the MKR rule, we know about the electromeric effect. What is the electromeric effect? Then answer is transfer of pi bond electron from less ER element to more ER element is called electromeric effect. But in alkene molecule, between both carbon, this pi bond present, and pi bond, both a carbon have same En. ध्यान से देखना बेटा यहां से बात, पाई बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन तो प्रेजेंट है यहां पे, बट इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट हमें क्या एक्सप्लेन करवाता है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ट्रांसफर ऑफ पाई बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम लेस En टू मोर En एलिमेंट, बट इन दिस मॉलिक्यूल, एल्कीन मॉलिक्यूल में आपको पाई बॉन्ड जो कार्बन के मिड में से हो रहा है सेम En वाले हैं। ये तो यहां इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट तो फॉलो करना है हमें, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट में En इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी का डिफरेंस नहीं है, दोनों की सेम है। तो अब हम यहां पे एमकेआर रूल को फॉलो करवाएंगे, और एमकेआर रूल क्या बोलेगा हमें कि आप पाई बॉन्ड को इस तरह से ट्रांसफर करिए, आप जो पाई बॉन्ड दिख रहा है यहां पे, उस पाई बॉन्ड को इस तरह से ट्रांसफर करिए कि बना हुआ यहां पे कार्बोकेटाइन जो होगा वो मोर स्टेबल होना चाहिए। तो मैंने क्या किया, इस प्रोपीन मॉलिक्यूल में मैंने इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट को तो फॉलो करवाया, बट अकॉर्डिंग एमकेआर फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने पाई बॉन्ड को ट्रांसफर किया, पाई बॉन्ड ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन टू दिस कार्बन, देन this carbon have efficiency of electron because pi bond have 2 electron, any bond have always 2 electrons are present, and these pi bond electron transfer from this carbon to this carbon, then last carbon have efficiency of electron and mid carbon have deficiency of electron. Deficiency always show by positive charge and efficiency shows by always a negative charge. So CH3 CH plus CH2 minus. Next method, a pi bond electron transfer from this carbon to mid carbon. So mid carbon have efficiency of electron, negative charge, and corner carbon have deficiency of electron, then a positive charge. CH3 CH negative CH2 positive. Two phenomena, two method. Method A, method B. Method A and method B. Method B is more stable, method A is less stable. Why? Simple answer, in this condition mid carbon have positive charge. Mid carbon have positive charge means both side have carbon are present, but in this condition only one side another carbon are present. It's a 1 degree carbocation and it's a 2 degree carbocation. और क्या बोलता है हमें एमकेआर रूल, always more stable carbocation will form. So condition number B, condition B is more stable, और फर्स्ट कंडीशन जो ऊपर वाला कंडीशन है वो इंपॉर्टेंट और वो ही स्टेबल है, और प्रोडक्ट भी आपका इसी के अकॉर्डिंग फॉर्म होना है। ओके बेटा, तो देखना इसमें CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2 प्लस H2, CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2 प्लस H2O, अकॉर्डिंग टू एमकेआर रूल पाई बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम मिड कार्बन टू कॉर्नर कार्बन, देन CH3 CH positive CH2 negative charge and H2 breakdown in H plus and OH minus. After then this carbocation react with H plus and OH negative. H plus OH negative, OH or H plus attached with CH2 negative because opposite charge attack from each other, and OH negative CH3 CHOH CH3 propane 2 all will form. MKR rule is very important rule for this reaction. According to MKR rule, always more stable carbocation will form. More stable, 2 degree carbocation is more stable as compared to 1 degree carbocation. MKR rule explained by which effect? इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट, इलेक्ट्रोमेरिक इफेक्ट. According to electromagnetic effect, pi bond electron always transfer from less En element to more En element. But in alkene molecule, double bond attached, both are carbon, both have same En, but MKR explain the pi bond electron transfer from more stable carbocation formation. Another example, butane react with H2O. It's a symmetric alkene. Why symmetric alkene? Because both carbon have same group R attached. If condition number A, pi bond electron transfer from second to third carbon, then CH3 second carbon have deficiency of electron because pi bond electron transfer from this carbon to this carbon. One bond formed by 2 electron and 2 electron transfer from this carbon to this carbon. So this have deficiency and another have efficiency of electron, and here CH3. Condition number B, a pi bond electron transfer from this carbon to this carbon. So this have efficiency of electron and this have a deficiency of electron. So CH3 CHA negative, CHA positive, CH3. Both carbocation have same stability because both are 2 degree carbocation. It means MKR rule will not follow in a symmetric alkene. H2O break down in H plus and OH negative. OH negative attached with CH, and this have hydrogen, and it's a butane 2-ol. Another condition, this have H and this have OH, same butane 2-ol. तो इसका मीन्स क्या हुआ बेटा, अगर आपके पास में सिमेट्रिक एल्कीन है तो आपको MKR फॉलो करवाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि वहां प्रोडक्ट चेंज नहीं होगा। अब आप देखिए दोनों ही कंडीशन में सेम स्टेबिलिटी बन रही है। ये भी 2 डिग्री कार्बोकेटाइन है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज, 2 साइड कार्बन, 2 डिग्री कार्बोकेटाइन, पॉजिटिव चार्ज, 2 साइड अनदर कार्बन। इट मीन्स MKR रूल फॉलो इन ओनली विच एल्कीन, एसिमेट्रिक एल्कीन, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू MKR ऑलवेज मोर स्टेबल कार्बोकेटाइन विल फॉर्म। ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम सेकंड मेथड पढ़ेंगे इसका। थैंक यू।